Victorian architecture, with its intricate details and ornate facades, evokes a sense of romance and grandeur. While bold, saturated colors were a hallmark of the era, the late Victorian period saw a shift towards lighter, more delicate hues. Today, using pastels on Victorian homes offers a fresh perspective on this classic architectural style, highlighting its timeless beauty while adding a touch of modern sensibility. One of the greatest advantages of using pastels on Victorian homes is their ability to complement the intricate details that define this architectural style. Delicate shades of lavender, mint green, or pale yellow provide a soft backdrop that allows the ornate woodwork, gingerbread trim, and decorative brackets to truly shine. The result is a harmonious blend of color and detail, creating a look that is both elegant and timeless. Imagine strolling down a tree-lined street and encountering a Victorian home bathed in soft hues of peach, sky blue, and butter yellow. The effect is instantly welcoming and inviting, creating a sense of warmth and hospitality. Pastels have a unique ability to soften the sometimes imposing grandeur of Victorian architecture, making these homes feel more approachable and charming. This enhanced curb appeal can transform a house into a beloved landmark in the neighborhood. Pastels offer a surprising degree of versatility when it comes to exterior design. They can be used in monochromatic schemes, where varying shades of a single color create a sophisticated and harmonious look. Alternatively, different pastels can be combined to highlight specific architectural elements. For instance, a pale blue might be used for the main body of the house, while accents of lavender and pale pink are used for the trim and window frames. This versatility allows homeowners to express their personal style while staying true to the Victorian aesthetic. Using pastels on Victorian homes is a beautiful way to bridge the gap between history and modernity. These soft shades breathe new life into classic architecture, creating a look that is both fresh and familiar. Whether you're drawn to the calming serenity of cool tones or the cheerful warmth of warmer hues, pastels offer a delightful way to celebrate the enduring beauty of Victorian homes.
And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.